Okay, good evening. Good evening, class. So karong gabi na akong gisolve, no? Gisolve na ko ang problem number 4 sa inyong long examination kay gamay ra gyud sa inyo ang nakakuha or naka-answer ini nga problem. So mo ni siya ang problem. Calculate the pooled standard deviation of the following, no? So we have four sets of data. Sa set 1, we have 1.80, 1.58, 1.64. Set 2, 0.96, 0.98, 1.02, 1.10. Set 3, we have 3.13, 3.35. And set 4, we have 2.06, 1.93, 2.12, 2.16 and 1.89 and 1.95. Now to calculate the pooled standard deviation, we are going to use this formula. So the pooled standard deviation is simply the square root of the summation of the sum of squares of deviation from the mean divided by the number of degrees of freedom, no? So kani siyang numerator, mao ni siya ang summation of the sum of squares of deviation from the mean, and then ang atong denominator are degrees of freedom. Now, before nato ni siya ma-solve, ato sang i-evaluate kung unsa lang ang mga importante nga information nga pwede nato magamit in solving. You notice nga from the formula, ang atong needed mao lang ang mean, no? So kay needed man ang mean, so we have to solve for the mean values of its set, no? And also we need the number of degrees of freedom. And the degrees of freedom is N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus N4 minus N total, no? And these are the value of N. For set 1, we have 3. Set 2, we have 4. Set 3, we have 2. And set 4, we have 6. If we are going to add all these things, the total number of data is equal to 15. Okay, so now we have the number of n and we have the mean values. Next, we are going to solve this summation of squares from deviation of the mean. So kaning diri kaning na sa first row, mao ni siya ang summation of summation of squares, no, summation of sum of squares of deviations from the mean sa set 1. Kaning niya sa next ang sa set 2, then this is for set 3 and this is for set 4. Now since summation man ni siya class, ato ni siyang i-add. Supposedly kaning first entry diri mao ni siya ang atong i-plug in ani nga part. Kani pong 0.0115 mao ni siya ang atong i-plug in dinhi, and then ang 0.0242 mao ni siya ang atong i-plug in diri. Now since there are 4 sets, we need pa sa isa ka sign diri para ma-plug in nato ang summation of squares sa para sa set 4 dinhing dapita. Now, since summation man siya, so ato lang na siyang i-add, no? Kay plus sign. So, we are going to add all these values. So, adding all these values, the answer is 0.1227. So, kaning value, mao ni siya ang atong ibutang sa numerator. And then, ang naa sa denominator, mao ni siya 3 for N1 plus 4 for N2 plus 2 for N3 plus 6 for N4 minus 4 because we have 4 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, simplifying this, no? Simplifying this, we have square root of 0.01115. And kung i-simplify pa gyud nato further, the final answer is 0.11. Basin mangutana mo nganong 0.11 nga ang akong mean value diri has 3 decimals. I already told you no nga while naapat na sa process of calculation, kani nga mga calculated nga mean dili pa nato isulat in correct number of significant figure. Instead, mo round off ta but mo extend ta og 1 digit, no? Kaya instead of writing our mean with 2 decimals, gihimo na to nga with 3 decimals. So dinhi na ta mo round up incorrect number of significant figure sa atong final answer. I hope my explanation is clear, no? Kay mogawaan na arabay problem nga similar ani sa inyong next examination which will be on Thursday. Okay, thank you.